What's up? You're now rocking with Steve J. Bryan. This is Solar Vibe, Sunday 6.
Steady on the mix. That shit sounds amazing.
Let's get high, people. It's fucked up. I stopped watching television cause the vision they selling is telling me to stay negative. Now every time I scroll down on my Facebook, it's a video of another cop not letting a nigga live. And what the heck is this? The black community's promoting violence with these stupid world star vids. How will I make it big? Half of these rappers sound like devila. Shit, hilarious. How you gonna be yourself when you look around and can't relate? I want money, fortune, fame, but really would that make me great? Well, that's what the system says. Without it, I ain't shit. Without it, I'm just a nigga, and I can't get no bitch. How will I find my balance? I can't be spiritual then materialistic. How will I find my balance? I'm looking at another girl wishing she could bounce to this shit. Goddamn. Sometimes I'm such a hypocrite. I'm over here preaching to the world while fucking up another nigga's bitch. I'm always climbing like a monkey, won't drop the first branch till I see the second. Absorbing money like a sponge. When it comes to grinding, I'm a fucking reference. I'm motivated by success, keeps me moving and got me running. I said I'm motivated by success. I kinda like how my girl smiles when I buy her denims. It's a new generation, a couple more years people won't give birth to a baby from a nap. Most of the natural things are gone. Gotta be a roach in the system to adapt. Wait, what was that? Somebody turned the lights on and I froze. Reality can be very disgusting, especially when you don't wash your bowls. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. Ooh, I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Meditate. Find my balance. Elevate. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Elevate. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance, elevate. I gotta find my balance, elevate. Find my balance, elevate. America taught me a lot of things. Like get money and stay away from cops. You can't be black and wear a hoodie at night. Come on, my nigga, you know you get shot. Stay away from fast food, that shit is poison. Stop watching the news, that shit is poison. When your bitch get a new side, nigga, she gon' look at you and say, bitch, that's just my cousin. Came straight from the Haitian nightmare. I'm tryna get the American dream. You know how hard it is to get a visa, my nigga? Thank God that my card is just green. Cause Trump be deporting niggas. These rappers exploiting niggas. They making you write they shit and not pay niggas. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Find my balance. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Meditate. Find my balance. I gotta find my balance. Meditate. Find my balance, elevate. I gotta find my balance, meditate. Find my balance, elevate. I gotta find my balance, meditate. Find my balance, elevate.